Now, topic is speed. So, standard formula speed distance by time. So, this everyone knows. So, right from school level in 10th class, maybe studied this one. Distance by time is speed, right? Okay. Now, this speed again comes under scalar quantity. Speed comes under scalar quantity. What is scalar? Already in the previous video already I gave a definition for scalar quantity. Scalar means only m value. M is magnitude. So there is no direction. So that is known as scalar quantity. So your speed comes under scalar quantity. Means if you want to tell a speed equal to 3 meter per second. That's all. Direction will not give for speed. Speed means only value. That is a magnitude value. 3 meter per second. So this units all things in the other videos it is already explained. You can refer that video, right? So 3 here this is I am discussing 3 is a magnitude. So your speed is a having a magnitude value but no direction. Here we are not mentioning any direction here. So speed is a scalar quantity, right? So this is the first point which you have to focus on this speed, right? Next we have these are the types of speed. Right? First one is uniform speed. Right? Second one is non-uniform speed. Okay. And third one is average speed. Right? And fourth one last instantaneous speed. Okay. So these are the types of speeds here. So one by one we'll see what is the definition of these four, right? First one is uniform speed. What is uniform speed? If the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. So this is the definition of uniform speed, right? Here, when you see the non-uniform speed, this is the definition. Uniform speed means equal distance and equal interval of time. So if the object covers equal distance and equal interval of time, we can say that is a uniform speed, right? If you go for non-uniform speed, right? So the non-uniform definition is when object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. So this is same. Here you will get unequal. Second one. Non-uniform means unequal distance in equal interval of time. This part is same for both uniform and non-uniform. There is change here distance. Equal distance is unequal distance. So that is a non-uniform speed, right? And what is third one? Third one is average speed. What is average speed? Very small. Which one? Definition for this one. This is what is speed? Speed is distance by time, right? Speed is distance by time, right? You know that basic definition of speed is distance by time. Okay, this is distance by time. Okay, right? Now I am writing an average speed. Average speed means here you have to add total here. That is total distance by total time. Remaining part is same, total distance by total time. This is total distance by total time. Okay. So this is average speed. Okay. Now here standard which one formulas are there depending on this which one speed, distance and time. So if you take the standard definition, speed equal to distance by time. speed equal distance by time. So here three variables are the speed, distance and time. So for these three variables, only two variables given. So for the other variable, you have to use this formula and you have to write down the formulas. So here those conditions are there here, right? So first one particle. First condition, when a particle travels s1 s2 in time t1 t2. When particles travels s1 s2 with time t1 t2, what is the average speed here? So your average speed is, average speed is total distance by total time. What is total distance? s1 plus s2. Total time is t1 plus t2. Because your definition contains only, because speed is distance by time. Here values are given distance time, so you are which are writing the same values here to get the average speed if only distance and times are given. So if the object travels, okay, this distance with this time, okay. If you go for second condition is, even the particle travels distance s1 s2, the second one, s1 s2 with the speed v1 v2, right? With the speed v1 v2. Here time value is not given, but your what is average speed definition? Total distance by total time. Total distance is s1 plus s2, okay, but total time is not given. Here speed values are given v1 v2. So what is this speed? Speed is distance by time. This definition, standard definition, we know. Now I want v1, because s1 v1 is there, this one. These two values are given, this is not there. So what is time? Distance by velocity. So s1 by v1 you have to write down, this for time, right? This is s2 by v2, right? Okay. So depending on the values you have to change the formula. Previously t1 t2 are there, so your average speed is s1 plus s2 by t1 plus t2. Here s1 s2 v1 v2 given, t1 t2 not there. So by the standard definition you have to get this time value, you have to substitute this value. T1 is s1 by v1, t2 is s2 by v2. This t1 and t2. T2 value is not given, so you have to go for this one, right? So this is the second form, right? And third form is when particle travels, third one, v1 v2 in time t1 t2. Speeds are given, time are given. So what is average speed now? Average speed is total distance. Distance value is not there. Previously in the two cases s1 s2, this way we have added s1 plus s2. Here it is not given. So here we have to change. What is formula here? Speed equal to distance by time, right? So what is distance? Speed into time. So your values will be v1 t1 plus v2 t2. This is the s1 value, this is s2 value. So s1 plus s2 is v1 t1 plus v2 t2 by t1 plus t. This is total time. So depending on the values you have to change, right? And what is fourth one? Fourth one is here, fourth case which we take is fourth type of speed, instantaneous speed. So four speeds we have different types of speeds: uniform, non-uniform. Third one is average. Last one is instantaneous speed, right? So if the speed of object at any particular interval of time, speed of object at any particular interval of time, at any particular time, right? At any particular time, the speed of the object at any particular time is called instantaneous speed, right? So this is the basic definition. At any particular time we can say that is instantaneously means at that particular time, instantaneous. So that speed is known as instantaneous speed, right? Okay, thank you.